Right, hey guys. I decided to go to the to a showroom near me where Stephen Lubbing got his Fanimation Cam View or Cam View, whichever way you want to pronounce it. He's actually the one that told me about this, so I figured I'd go check it out, and I did. Really great people there. It was really cool. He had a lot of neat fans installed, and yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Here's the Emerson catalog. I will be going back for the Fanimation catalog. I don't know when they'll get that in. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Cool catalog. This looks new. Or, I'm almost positive that's new. Just the back. Nothing too special. It's got a nice texture to it, though. It's kind of nice. You know what? Let me actually turn my fan off. Just really having hard times picking this up because of the light. I mean, there's a lot here. I don't know how I might split this up into two different videos. We'll go through all these, so I'm not even going to bother. Finishes. This is what color the premium was at that place. At the that premium sitting on the floor that needed to be fixed. I guess that's more of like what I have. Okay, so that's what the eco motors look like. I did not know that. So, are they stationary? I don't know. Can't really tell. So, the guy at the store at the place was telling me that the eco motors are about $100 more, and after 2 years you start saving money, or you get the money back. Is what I mean. Alright, so I believe this is where we start getting into stuff. Trying to figure out which one's the one that Cole videoed. I forgot what the name of it was. I think it started with a C, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's kind of cool. Again, I'm sorry about the glare, guys. I really can't think of any other way to... That actually helps a bit. Crofton, that's what it was. This one I don't know if I really like this one. Kind of a weird design. This one, Amherst, they have one of these installed in that finish, and man, is that thing cool. So that's one of his best sellers. They also have one of these installed, the High Grove. Fortunately, we couldn't power it on because there was a chandelier in the way. I did, however, get to test the Amherst. That was kind of cool. These are cool. I like those controls. Kind of cute. Kind of interesting. Only comes in one color. Yeah, I can't really see it coming in any other color. Can't remember what the heck the name of that is. Lux Eco, that's it. I don't like these. These look really weird. I think the housing is too big. What's the name of that one? Kian. Sorry, guys. The Laura. I don't know how I feel about this one either. This one's kind of weird. This is what's on the front cover, right? No. Kind of like a Odin. Actually, I don't know if I like this more or not. It's about this, a little smaller. This is kind of cool. There's a turn of the century copy of this, I believe. South Tone. High Rise. That's kind of a neat fan. Fourth Avenue. They have one of these installed as well. I'm kind of having mixed feelings about it though. Midway. They have one of these above the desk that they can't figure out how to turn off. This is kind of cool with Lux. High Point. I want to see one of these installed. I didn't know you can install it like that. It's kind of cool. Loft. Apparently the Industrial is more. The 56-inch Industrial is more powerful than the Loft. I hear IKEA has these installed. I don't think mine has them though. Curva Sky, I should say, because this one is flush mounted. Or assume next page is Curva. Oh, would you look at that? They have a Curva and a Curva Sky installed. What size is that? 44 inch. So that's one that they have installed. What size does Curva Sky come in? 44. I figured. They have an Atomical installed as well. This is kind of neat. Dual mount. A little Tilo. They had one of these, just kind of hanging around. I like the light kit on it though. It's kind of neat. 4-speed. Alright, let's just stop it here. I think now is a good time to stop. And stay tuned for the next part.